Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Samantha and I am currently drinking a delicious quad iced latte that I made here at home. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing these earrings like little dancing men. I'm wearing these glasses from H&M, this oversized shirt from Urban Outfitters. Yes, my eczema is acting up, do not look. And then I'm wearing these overalls that I got from a little market in downtown Seattle. My boyfriend and I are gonna go to the embarcadero. We just sit down, drink a beer, talk, soak in the sun. I already have my sunscreen on. Just wanted to say that despite the craziness that's going on in the world, and I know it can be really ugly and violent and frustrating and heavy, there's a lot of beauty in the world. And I woke up this morning and I was like, this is gonna be a good day, I can feel it. And I chose to make today a good day. So I made a latte, I sat outside, I journaled, I wrote down my gratitude list and just things that I'm thankful for and that I'm feeling happy about today. And I, made it my point that I'm gonna make today a really good day. Especially during COVID, you can acknowledge the negatives, but also choose the positives and make your day how you want to spend it. Choose your attitude, choose the people you want to spend your time with, choose what you want to consume, and just get out there and do it. I really wanted to go out for a walk today, and that's what we're gonna go do. It's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm gonna capture anything that sparks joy in my soul, and that's gonna be today's vlog. It's just gonna be peace and happiness and things that bring joy, and I hope I can inspire you to do the same. Go out, do something that makes you happy, listen to music, dance, cook, drink a delicious coffee, hang out with people that you love, and yeah, just go out there and do something amazing. So that's the plan for today, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. Let's go. The what?
Pretty sure that's a have some drinks. Yeah, have a good time. Like the daily, like, oh, going to the office. It is actually brewed over very close to the Christmas tree line I took you to.
Oh really? And Alamance sound really good.
I just like, when you mentioned that, I was like, hey, I mean, those are really good. I'll have one.
You got sprung.
Plays fourth shot here.
He's a nimby. Say hi, Goose. Wow. The sprinklers.